Good.
So we got the first Peltier generator. This is kind of hedging our bets. We're not hooking all of them up at the same time just in case it didn't work. But the stove is idling down right now, and when the heatsink was still coming up to temperature, it capped out about 24 volts and producing about 0.7 amps with just one section. We have decided to split the two sections, so there's one section that's independent from the other, and the stove is now out. But you can see with the temperature differential, it's still pulling 17.7 degrees. It's obviously dropping off fast now, but it seemed to stabilize with the heat sink less than 100 degrees at 19 volts, and with the heat sink, or with the heat exchanger here, with the flue gases running through it, it was probably, estimate, would be 150 to 175 degrees Celsius. So reasonable temperature differential, not as much as I expected actually, but stabilizing at 19 volts. We're just going to parallel them across, and so yeah, 19 volt, yeah, dropping off now still, but 19 volts and 0.6 amps per unit. And there's going to be six units independent, so we'll just treat them all independently. I'm probably going to run two electronics straight off of each one, so they've got diode protection to keep them from backfeeding into one another. Got a second wind here, and to keep them from backfeeding into one another. And by doing that, our efficiencies will go up, but I'll use a switch mode regulator off of each one, and that'll take care of the backwards protection and everything all together. And if one of them fries, then it won't take the rest of them down with it. So yeah, it was a good test. So we're going to put another one on this side, another one on this side, and this one will be turned sideways so that you can still cook over the top of the stove and everything. Stuff. But I like it. Should have probably machined this surface, because we do have a little bit of space on the Peltier generators, decreasing efficiency a little bit, but it was still basically at spec. Plenty enough to make power and charge batteries though, so should be good. Hope you enjoyed, and good luck if you want to try your own. Bye for now.